It's the gold chart, XAUUSD for H4. From this chart, it is a downward channel. It's a downward channel. This downward channel indicates that market is downtrend. 200 EMA is above the current market. This is 200 EMA. This 200 EMA also indicate that market is downtrend. So from this downtrend market, or our searching point only for sell. So it's a selling area because this support now acts as a resistance. 200 EMA act as a dynamic resistance. This trend line act as a dynamic. This trend line is act as also resistance area. So it's a good confluence to make a sell. My another favorite tools. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 4, we can expect that market will come from here for 5. So it is our expectation. So it is our expectation to come here the market according to Elliott theory. So it's a point to make sell. So this is the point to make sell stop from here. Sell stop from here.